You're watching an Involve Me video on how to embed your funnel on WordPress. There are two main ways of embedding your funnel using WordPress. One, you can use WordPress.com, which is the cloud offering of WordPress, or you can use WordPress.org, which is their open source solution that you can host yourself. We are going to start with the self-hosted WordPress.org, and then towards the latter half of the video, touch on WordPress.com as well. So here we are in the open source solution for WordPress, which you are probably familiar with. If you're going to want to use Involve Me, you can head to plugins on the left side. And an important note here is that you can only see this plugins icon if you are an admin. So let me click on this and click on add new plugin. And here I'm going to search for plugins and I'm going to search for involve.me and press enter. And as you can see, Involve Me pops up and I can click install now. After a quick moment, the plugin is installed and I can click on activate. And just to confirm that the plugin indeed has been activated, once I click on active right here in the top side, I will see Involve Me right here. So your plugin has been successfully installed and activated. Once it has been activated, you can find it again on the left side, so you can click on Involve Me, and here you can see all your Involve Me funnels. And then if you want to add your own funnel, you can click on Add New Involve Me Project, and now we're going to hop over to Involve Me to get the project to embed here. The funnel that we're going to be using is the Legal Expert Selection Quiz funnel. Using this funnel, you can get matched with the perfect attorney for your case. Just by clicking through a few pages and filling in your contact information using a contact form, you are matched with your ideal legal expert. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, have your project published. So I'm going to click Publish Now and hit Publish again. Once I do that, I get taken to the Share and Embed page. From there, I can copy the URL code and then head over to WordPress and paste my Involve Me project URL into the field that asks for it right here and hit enter. As soon as I do that, the funnel loads right in front of me. An important note here is that you can only use the full funnel URL and not the shortened URL, so keep this in mind in case something is not working. And as you can see, I have quite a few options that I can work with when it comes to embedding. For example, I could embed it as a standard page, full page, pop-up, a chat button, side panel, and side tab. Now to actually see how the embed would look like every time, so let me select pop-up as an example. I'm gonna click publish again, and only then I can actually see the changes that I've made. So you can see the pop-up is ready and I can launch the pop-up and I can see the pop-up in real time. Same goes for example, the side panel. So I'm going to select side panel, click on update, and it gets updated, and I launch the pop-up and it launches as a side panel. You could also choose the behavior. So for example, the side panel, now I currently have it set up on button click, but I could also have it on page load, for example. So let me update again. And as you can see, as soon as I hit update and the page loads, I get met with the side panel. You can also choose the position, the size of the pop-up. So let me make it actually small, and I want to close it upon completion. That's true. And I want to delay 3 seconds. I can also select to stop showing the pop-up once it is completed and hide once viewed. And also I can choose my own loading background color. So I could come here, select the color, for example, orange, and select. So now that I've made all my choices, I'm going to hit update once again. And as you can see now, this is orange, which is probably not the best choice with the dark blue, but maybe that matches your branding. And then, as you can see, you can click through the funnel and it is fully functioning right here. Of course, I'm going to add a title, so Legal Expert Selection Quiz. Here you can also see the status and the visibility and also the published date. Once you're happy with what you made, you can get the shortcode at the very bottom. So you hit copy and it gives you a sign that you've copied it. And then you go to the Pages tab again on the left side and click on Add New Page. I'm going to name this my test page for legal services. And here I am going to paste the short link, and then I can click on the permalink. And once I do that, I get taken to the page, and you can see that it works perfectly fine. I can fill in everything. I can fill in my personal details as well. Agree, next, and I get my expert at the very end. So the funnel works just as intended. My expert is Lisa, and I can connect with Lisa, and everything works perfectly fine. So as mentioned at the very start of the video, you can also go to WordPress.com and use their hosting service. Here you can also find under plugins on the left-hand side, Involve Me, However, WordPress.com allows you to install plugins and use custom codes only on their paid plans. What you still can do even without a plugin is add a new page, select a blank page, and if you use the funnel URL and paste it in the new page, you can see that it is here and you can technically use it. However, your options for customization are going to be very, very limited. So you will not be able to do a lot of the things that we've shown in the WordPress.org open source solution. So now you hopefully understand the two main ways of embedding your funnel using WordPress. For more support, you can go to help.involve.me or reach out to our support team directly. Good luck getting involved.